Hello, welcome to After Village Kitchen. Today I'm just going to inspire you on this fish seasoning or grilled fish that I like. I like the seasoning so much. It works really well. So I'm just going to share with you. So with this fish, this is red fish that I have, and I've got some lemongrass that I have bashed with my rolling pin, and this is lime leaf. I love this leaf. Is just wonderful. It releases the flavor of lime. If you can't find it, do use fresh lime. Just grate, use the rind of the lime, grate it, not the white bits, just the green bits, and add it into it. But you'll find this lime leaf and lemongrass in your Asian shops or Chinese shops, so do check them out when you are in their shops. And to this seasoning, I'll be adding my 10 spice blend. I'll be adding about a tablespoon of that. Just sprinkle it all over, and I'm going to rub it in afterwards. And I'm going to add a bit of salt for taste. So the salt is up to you, but this, I think about a teaspoon is just enough. And I'll be adding a drizzle of oil. Okay, so for me, this oil is a flavored kind of oil. I used it for fish. I actually used it to fry fish, and I think it will just be great with this seasoning for the fish. But if you don't have any flavored oil, you're not allowed, it's optional. You can use just normal oil. It's good as well. So just, get it all rubbed in nicely. To have all the flavors getting on the fish. Once that is done, let it season for about 30 minutes. If you are prepping and you want to get this done the night before, it is also wonderful. It means that your fish will absorb all the flavors really well. Just get the leaves lying on here so it absorbs the flavors. And this is it. It's ready. Let it season for some 30 minutes to an hour, or overnight if possible. Get it in the oven, grill for about, or bake for about 200 degrees. You can equally grill as well using your oven grill, and it is fantastic. Grilled fish is now ready. It looks good, it tastes good, and you can serve it with anything that you want. I'm going to have this with kenkey. I've used it for my fish stew, and it was just delicious. So yeah, be inspired and do give it a try. There you go.